Meaning of guzzler.
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 Guzzler. The word guzzler is often used to refer to someone who drinks alcohol excessively and quickly, often to the point of becoming drunk. The term can also be used for someone who consumes any substance or food in an excessive or greedy manner. The word has a negative connotation and is typically used to criticize someone's behavior. In addition to the negative health consequences of excessive drinking, being labeled a guzzler can also lead to social problems and personal conflicts. Overall, guzzler refers to someone who consumes something in an unsustainable and harmful way.